To make this first money lei, you will need a lei you bought at the dollar store, money, and tape. To make this second money lei, you will need any string or ribbon, money, and construction paper in the colors of your choice, and tape. First thing you want to do is count how many separators your lei has. Mine has 34, so I'll need $34. You're going to take your dollar bills. This is how you fold them. So you fold them in half, and in half again, and in half again. Open your dollar bill, and now what you want to do is fold it accordion style on those folds. There you go. Now you fold it in half again. And take this 2 pieces of the dollar bill and put a little piece of tape right here. You leave it like that, and now I'm gonna make 34 more. Now that I've folded all my dollar bills, I'm going to put it around my lei on each of the separators. So I'm going to take a dollar bill, fold it around on the separator like this, fold the 2 ends together, and tape them like that. I'm just going to do that all the way around the lei. Here's the finished product, the dollar store lei and 34 dollar bills. For the paper lei, we're going to do it a little bit differently. So I've cut my construction paper in about the same size as a dollar bill, which is 6 inches by 2 5/8. But first, you fold it exactly like before. Open it up. Fold in accordion style and in half, but that's it. You leave it like that. So now you have your money and your paper, but it's all open. You don't tape it. So I measured about 8 feet of string and I folded it in half. Take the end, I'm gonna make a knot, leaving me about 2 or 3 inches. Take your first dollar bill and you're gonna put it in between the 2 strings. I'm gonna fold the edges and tape. On the other side, fold the edges and tape. You're going to go through both strings. Make a knot right here. Now, I'm going to take next color, put it in between the 2 strings, and repeat. Tape on one side, go to the other side. Fold it close. Not here too to secure it. And continue with another dollar bill. could also add beads in between. I just decided not to. So I'm going to take the two ends and just tie them together. Here we are, a beautiful paper lei. Super easy. And a beautiful dollar store lei. Super easy. Also, this one cost $34 and this one only cost $24. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website for party printables, party tips, and tons of freebies. See you there!